Asibingelele kuma-Twillen Broadcasting Corporation, igama nguThulani kaNkani. Siyazi ukuthi emzini omkhulu, emzini wamakhosi namakhosikazi kwaBulawayo phela kweNtuthu siyakhulu. Sinabahlali, abahlali indingeko zabo. Yikho-ke namhlanje sinobaba uMoyo ongomunye wabaholi be-BUPRA, iBulawayo Progressive Residents Association. Namhlanje sizothanda ukuthi sixoxisane naye ngenhlanganiso yakhe nangalokho ukuthi sizwa kuthiwa banalokho abakubiza bethi leadership renewal. Sizwe ukuthi yena uthini ngalokho, ngoba sizwile ukuthi naye ungomunye wabantu abancintisanayo kulokho. Baba Moyo, siyakwamukela kuma-Twillen Broadcasting Corporation.
Balaleli linjani, ngiyabonga.
Okay, Mr. Moyo, I think the very first thing that we need to look into is knowing you. Before we even know your organization, we need to know you, Mr. Moyo. Could you kindly tell us about your background? Who is Mr. Moyo?
uMoyo ukhulele eSomnene, kwakuthiwa ngaleso sikhathi Somnene African Baptist area, lapho engazayelwa khona 70 kilometers along Solusi Road. Ngasuka lapho ngaya secondary school eMpandeni Mission. After independence ngafundela kuba ngumbalisi, ngaba ngumphathi isikolo ke wezikolo lezi, iMinda High School leMasiye Phambili High School. Azweni zonsuku futhi bengiphathe kakhulu kunhlanganiso ezimela amalungelo abantu, Catholic Commission for Justice and Peace. Ngibe ngumsekeli unobhala omkhulu khonaphana. Ugwalo lolu Breaking the Silence, data yakho engiyacollectwa yithi. Ngibe active futhi ku-Zim Rights. Ngaba active futhi ku-National Constitutional Assembly. Ndubana ngijoyine ke le nhlanganiso iBulawayo Progressive Residents Association. Ngijoyineke yona ngo-2010, ngaba ngumabhalane weze Secretary for Water. Ngaleso sikhathi sibe lo mkhankaso omkhulu okwala ufakelwa ama-prepaid water meters. Ngesikhathi ngiphethe leyo nhlanganiso, leyo portfolio. And then saba le leadership renewal, ngaba secretary wezemfundo. Kulezi zinto-ke ezimbili eziphumileyo ngesikhathi ngilapho. Uhulumende bethi kakulamatitsha avela kule region yikho engawadeploy. I went out of my way, collector i-proof yokuthi we have thousands of teachers that are not employed. Saya ku-Ministry of Education, batshintsha ipolicy yabo deployment, wasekuthiwa ama-teacher kade sazadeploywa nge-district of origin, inamba yakhe sesithupheni lapho abazadeploya khona. Then the second thing engiyenzileyo ngaleso sikhathi, abazali bebekhala nge-new curriculum eyekhala. We made representations to the ministry. Bagcina sebeyintshile, sebebisa le kuthiwa yi-heritage-based curriculum. Nguye-ke uMoyo lo okhulumayo osefuna ukukhankasela kathesi ukuba umgcini sihlalo.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mr. Moyo nge-background osinikeza yona. Njengamanje Baba Moyo, i-position onayo ku-BUPRA yini?
Ngingu-Secretary for Education.
Oh, okay. So uqale nini ukuthi ube ngu-Secretary for Education?
5 years ago.
5 years.
I-term of office is 5 years, yes.
Okay. I know kuhle kakhulu. If you don't mind, if you could tell us what is BUPRA? What is its purpose?
Let me go back to its foundation.
Yeah.
Do I have? Yeah. Kuthe ngo-1964 uhulumende wayebusa lapha band ama-organization abantu abamnyama izaphu lezanu wabopha ubukhokheli bakhona. It then left a vacuum ku-leadership yabantu bamnyama koBulawayo, kungasela voice to speak for them. And then abantu then founded iBURA, Bulawayo United Residents Association, eyayikhokhelwa ngalesi sikhathi nguSidi Malunga, omunye wabakhokheli ababengakutshwanga. Wahamba-ke yasala iyilo-ke ilizwi lezakhamuzi zakoBulawayo. Then after independence, kwaba lama-problems abakhona ayenza ukuthi thina sigcine sesifuna ukuthi ungcono sifome enye inhlanganiso. There were problems between iZAPU and ZANU, with leadership yeZAPU being arrested and persecuted, meaning that most of the time izakhamuzi get no voice, ngoba their voice was also a political voice. Nxa sewubotshwa inkokheli zezombangazwe sebesala bona bengalalizwi elibakhulumelayo. The situation got better after the Unity Accord, but we then discovered that the leadership of ZANU was also there for the leadership. The leadership of the new ZANU was also there for the leadership of the Residents Association. Kungasela alternative voice. Yeah, see, ikuzalwa kwe-BUPRA ngo-2007. One of our cardinal principles drawn from that lesson was that it is important to remain non-partisan, so that we continue to be the voice of residents, regardless of their political affiliation, so that siqhubeke siyilizwi lezakhamuzi kungakhathalekile ukuthi zikuliphi ibandla, ukuthi la nxa suba lengxabano phakathi kwama-political parties kunga-affect izakhamuzi ngoba ubukhokheli bazosala bukhona. Yikho-ke ukuzalwa kwe-BUPRA, ama-values ethu kuyena lawo: non-partisanship, transparency and accountability.
Yeah, uyasho ukuthi i-BUPRA yi-voice of the people. Uma ngingakubuza nje ukuthi mawuthi yi-voice of the people uchaza ukuthi
Ngithi ilizwi lezakhamuzi. Sike saba the problem during the days e-Unity Accord ngendaba ye-billing system yezesa. Nxa sikhuluma labo bengazwisisi, we then decided to demonstrate against that problem. Esaba layo ke abanye sebesitshela ukuthi ayi, you can't demonstrate ngoba uminister wezesa nguminister ovela ku-MDC, so we should not. Sachaza ke ukuthi thina simele izakhamuzi, kasimelanga ama-political parties. Kule problem lapha ezesa, we are going to demonstrate. Saba le problem ke uhulumende ufuna ukuletha, i-council ufuna ukuletha ama-prepaid water meters. Sathi thina no, i-prepaid water meters zizahlupha abayanga ngoba nxa ngala mali yamanzi ngizenza njani? Nxa ngala mali yokuthenga amagetsi ngile alternative, ngingadinga inkuni, ngingasebenzisa igas, but amanzi kawala alternative. Again, we took to the street kuyizakhamuzi ezisicela ukuthi senze njalo. Again, kwaba lamanye amazwi athi no, leyo phela yi-ministry, i-portfolio leyo nge-ministry kazibani bani. Sathi thina silandaba lalokhu, thina silendaba lamalungelo ezakhamuzi ngoba amanzi is a basic human right. So ngaleyo ndlela siqhubeka siyilizwi lezakhamuzi.
Okay. Ngicela ukuthi ungiolele kulokho engizokubuza khona ngoba ngizobuyela back. Ngifuna ukuthi ngi-understand kahle ukuthi umsebenzi we-BIPRA or ngingathi owama-residence association uyini kahle? Ngifuna ukuthi ngi-understand khona phela ukuthi uyini umsebenzi ama-residence association.
Ngizakhuluma-ke ngathi thina kwethu kukhangela ukuthi izakhamizi ziyabhadalela ama-services ku-central government naku-local government. So ama-services ezowabhadalelayo aziwathole. Nxa zingawatholi, i-residence association iba yilizwi lazo izakhamizi. At the same time siyakhuthaza izakhamizi ukuthi zibhadale. Kwenzela ukuthi kusinike igunya lathi lokuthi sidimande ama-services ngoba ngeke siwadimande nxa singawabhadalelanga. Sikhuluma ngama-services awe-sewage, awe-refuse collection, awamanzi, ama-services like ezemfundo, ama-services like ezempilakahle, ama-services like water and electricity. So ukuze siwathole sifanele siwabhadalele. Nxa sesiwabhadalele, we have a right to demand that they delivered to us. Yumsebenzi wethu njengezakhamuzi, njengehlanganiso yezakhamuzi.
Hayi, ngiyabonga kakhulu ngoba mbona lapho ukuthi usukuchazile ukuthi umsebenzi we-resident associations yini.
Mana nge-elaborate further.
Kulungile, qhubeka baba.
Lama-wards angu-29 koBulawayo.
Yeah.
Because of the nature of our services, slow secretary we-health, slow secretary we-gender, slow secretary we-education, slow secretary we-transport, slow secretary we-water, slow secretary we-environment. Bonke laba balama-portfolios abo ahambelana lama-services esiwafunayo kuma-service providers. U-secretary we-education uyakhangela ukuthi ezemfundo kuwadi yakhe zenzakala kahle na. Abantwana baku-BIM abagcotshwe izikolo ama-results azo ahamba kuhle na. And then at provincial level, slow secretary futhi we-education ukhangela ezemfundo in the entire province yakoBulawayo. So ama-ward secretaries education wonke abe-reporta. Ngaleyo ndlela we are able to keep track, sibekwazi ukuthi iward liyani le-problem yamanzi, liyana i-right, then we can take up issues with the relevant department.
Baba Moyo, abantu banokuthi ama-residence association awana mazinyo, awana mandla. They cannot influence anything. Uthini ngalokho?
I think abantu kabananzeleli mana ngikuphe thina ama-examples e-success esabalawo. Ngesikhathi silo-executive mayor uNdabeni, there was an attempt by government ukuthi amanzi azaprovidwa izinwa. Sajoyina umeya, amanye ama-cities esevumile. Thina njengezakhamuzi zakoBulawayo, i-Residents Association found ourselves in agreement with the mayor ukuthi no, and we said no, and the government capitulated, and we went back to the normal situation. And two, ngikuphi example lapho ukuthi that's the problem ye-billing system ye-ZESA. After our demonstration, there was an improvement. ZESA then went for a prepaid system, which has since worked better. It came because as residents associations, we said no, your billing system is not efficient, your billing system is not reliable. ZESA acceded to our request. And then we saw the City Council of Bulawayo trying to introduce prepaid water meters. We said no. The residents said, we took to the street. It was those were not introduced. Ngitshilo futhi kwezemfundo ukuthi thina sibe le problem izakhamuzi zikhala ngokuthi i-curriculum lentsha is burdensome, ama-projects afunakalayo maningi kakhulu. We made representations to the ministry, sabhalela i-parliamentary portfolio committee, i-education sibakhombisa ukuthi i-system le ihlupha njani. Uhulumende setshintshile kathesi waletha i-curriculum kuthiwa heritage based. Saba lenye i-problem futhi ku-education khonapho njengoba ngitshilo kuqala. Uhulumende sithi abantu besithi abantwana bethu bathola ama-teacher vela kwezindawo. Uhulumende, uMinister of Education at the time wathi hayi abakho ama-teachers alokhaya. Sa-advertise sacela ukuthi abantu bebuye. And we discovered there were close to 3,000-4,000 teachers that were unemployed. Sasa uhulumende amabizo abo. Uhulumende watshintsha wasista ama-teachers deployed on the basis of districts of their origin. Ngama-successes zethu wonke lawo is a residents association.
Okay, so basically you feel ukuthi iBulawayo Progressive Residents Association inamandla athile.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yebo ba.
Okay. Ngicela ukubuza ukuthi ubudlelwano neBulawayo City Council ebunjani lisebenzisana kanjani?
Ekuqaliseni it was confrontational. Khathesi sisa-developa ngenxa yokuthi sasazwana manje. Sesihloniphana. Very cordial relationship. Nxa kule-problem basi-invite ku-finance, ku-budget committee yabo, with a representative ohlala khona. Nxa besenza i-strategic framework yabo, basinxusa to be part of it. Nxa beza implementa anything, basi-consulta besibuze. Izakhamuzi zihambe kuma-WhatsApp khona bekhulumisana ne-city council management. Yes, I can say we have a very cordial relationship with them.
Okay. All right. What do you consider to be the most pressing things for our residents akwaBulawayo right now? Let's say maybe 3 things, if you don't mind, or consider which these things are really pressing for these for the residents.
Yeah, indaba ye-building ye-city council eyamanzi, we don't think it is fair. Asiwazi ukuthi basebenzisa actual meter things or not. It is something that we will need to engage them as soon as the elections are over that matter. But over and above that, the most pressing thing indaba yamanzi, uBulawayo kalamanzi. We have now a 120-hour water shedding system. Kakuphileki nxa kunjalo. I-city council bicele uhulumende to declare as a disaster area, but still government is dragging its feet. Kasika declare that way. Kuba nzima ke for i-council to mobilize resources if government has not declared a state of emergency and declared that way a disaster area ngoba sile water crisis. And akucaci ukuthi iza-resolve nini kumbe kusasa. And the third one that I think is important, indaba ye-devolution. Uhulumende, i-constitution yethu is devolution in it. But into a constitution needs to be put into a legislative act. Kube lo mthetho odefinayo kahle, otshintsha i-current Urban Councils Act to accommodate devolution. Sibone kusiba the provincial councils that are enshrined in the constitution. In the absence of relevant legislation, akula devolution esibone iphuma. And so as residents association, we intend working with similar residents associations elsewhere to push for legislation on devolution that gives teeth to the constitutional provision yet devolution. So those are the 3 things that I think are urgent for us.
Baba Moyo, ukhulume ngokuthi alinasiqiniseko sokuthi amanzi abantu abawachajwayo kusetshenziswa ama-actual logs and reading in terms of e-billing or not.
Yebo.
Indaba enjalo uma niyibheka nibona ukuthi ningayilungisa kanjani ukuze kwazakala ukuthi abantu babhadala amanzi abawasebenzisayo akuna guesswork.
Besikhuthaza izakhamuzi ukuthi bethathe ama-daily readings ama-meters abo every day. Nxa ibhili sikuyivela kuhulumeni beyithathe beyiqathanise lama-readings abalawo. Nxa bene-query bethathe ama-reading abo bawase ku-council.
Ngoba mangikhumbula kahle ngabo 1990s, early 1990s, the very same thing yake yenzeka. Ngiyakhumbula kahle lapho engangihlala khona ukuthi abantu bake bathatha ama-logs abo iziliphu zabo lezo ababezidunyeza bake bahamba baziphonselele ukuze ne-council offices ukuthi hayi no man ama-charges akhona ngoba uthola ukuthi bakuthumezela ama-slips maybe twice a month but with the different amounts of money. So kusho ukuthi yinto which has been going on maybe for some time. Othola ukuthi maybe binokuthula ibuyivuka. So lina nge-residents association yini elizoyenza ukuthi into enje ayingeke iziyenzakale futhi kuzakhamizi zakoBulawayo?
Yeah, it is something that we need to sit down with council management, and now that we have a new mayor, laba abantu in charge of that, esikhulumisane ngakho sibone ukuthi kakwenzeki ngoba ama-councillors lawo have a vested interest ngoba bamele izakhamuzi abo. Labo kufanele ukuthi bezisupport bezidefend entweni ezirong. Sithemba ukuthi we'll find each other somewhere ku-process yakhona.
Yeah.
Si-expecta honest.
Qhubeka baba.
Si-expect ukuthi kube le-honest dealings with us. Mina ngithanda ukuthi nxa ngikhuluma lo muntu singavumelana lokho esivumelene ngakho. Mina ngigcine yami iphathi ngigcine yakhe isayini. Nxa sivumelene wena ungasuki lapho usungihamba umthetho phansi ungasakwenza esivumelene ngakhona. Lokho kuzayisenza ukuthi singaphilisani kuhle.
Yeah, uthe wena ekuqaleni i-relationship in city council was confrontational, but okwamanje it seems to be cordial. Do you think ukuthi ubudlelwano lobu elinabo ne-city council right now yinto eningayisebenzisa ukuthi likwazi ukuthi lilungise lolu hlupho?
Yeah, ngoba ama-councillors akhona kathesi angene lawo lwazi usuku lesikhuluma ngalo. And so when we engage management council, we'll be reminding them of something that they are familiar to.
Okay. So kule issue othe wena kune watershed sisesibangeni esiphezulu kakhulu. Akuntshela ukuthi one isizathu sokuthi kube ne-watershed ngenjalo yini imbangela, njalo nina njenge-residents association libuka kanjani leyona?
There are two things as happened. uBulawayo qhubekele ukukhula.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke amadamu ukuthi akhiwe to match the growth of the city kayenziwanga. Isikhathi sonke amadamu yayesenziwa nguCouncil wakoBulawayo. That such dam was built by council, I think, in 1971. Uhulumende after independence wasesithi into yokwakha amadamu kayisengezakhansi sengezino. Since then, the only dam that has been built is Mchabezi Dam. But Mchabezi Dam kangani lama challenges ukuthi supply kahle Bulawayo. Asikwazi ukuthi problem yangikhona yini. And then uhulumende wasesithi bazathola amanzi enyameni ePing Forest. But ukhanya kuyatshontshwa futhi izinto ezikhona phana kaningi eziphambela amalukuzi ethu ngapha. So we want a situation, since government has taken over responsibility naleyo, by now uhulumende isayakhile idam that supplies us. There's been talk of the Shangane Dam for years. Baqala kuyizambezi dam wasekuthiwa kwakhiwa iGwayi Shangane Dam. But still amanzi asikawatholi. The crisis keeps getting worse. The dam is not complete. So we would want to see government taking a more active role, protecting amanzi ase-Nyanjom, if it means deploying ama-South deploy. We also want to see government putting more money to the Gwayi Shangane Dam ukwenzela ukuthi supply ngamanzi. But also we think another dam is long overdue khona ngapha koBulawayo lapho kule catchment areas zethu. Because even the lana like can't be enough. Ngoba iGwayi Shangane Dam will have to service ama-routes ayingakathi koBulawayo. So in a short time, it will be overwhelmed ngama-needs abantu along the way ingakathi like. So besifuna ukuthi ngabe uhulumende uyadeclare iBulawayo as a disaster area given the emergency amanzi. Uzavumela i-City Council to source funds ngaleyo ndlela if we are seen as a national emergency.
Yeah.
Ukuze sithole amanzi.
Okay, ngizozama ukuthi ngubuza imbuzo from ukukhona lokho okutshoyo baba kakhulu ngoba ngifuna ukuthi ngi-understand kahle ukwenzela ukuthi nabantu be-understand kahle. iBulawayo ukhulume ngokuthi iyakhula but uthola ukuthi amadamu alokhe eyisevisa awabi maningi. Alright, ngikubuza umbuzo othi uBulawayo unabantu abangaki?
Last census twins last year. I don't have the figures right now, which is Sibangai. But iBulawayo ngo-1980, the Bulawayo now is grown ngoba sibona ngama-towns sasekhona ayengekho oCodri Park, oPhumula South, bonke bona bana ngokukhula kwabo kusitsho ukuthi ngaba balamadamu abasupplyayo amanzi kuphela.
Ngiyakuzwa baba Moyo, ungabona ngibuza lo mbuzo nginesizathu. Ukuthi i-census ithini ngoba ungathola ukuthi ama locations or amalokishini angabe seyi-5 or so or even more than 5, but uhulumeni i-census yakhe ithini? Ithi uBulawayo uyakhula noma uBulawayo ubuyela phansi?
Nalawo ama-figures every year abantu bahlala kwa-query ngoba thina siyabona amalokishi ekhula then dingeko ezikolo ziba ziningi, kodwa-ke i-statistics zisitshela ukuthi kona nxa bebala bethi uBulawayo kakhulu. Hamba kathesi uye eMpilo, uye uBheji, uzabona phela ukuthi uBulawayo uyakhula ngoba ama-queues abantu abafuna ama-services esibhedlela ayagabhela izibhedlela ngokwazo. Kusho ukuthi kulesidingeko sesinye isibhedlela apart from the two. Now isidingeko leso silethwa yikuthi uBulawayo uyakhula. Ukushotela kwethu kwamanzi kusitshengisela khona ukuthi amadamu asenelisi ngoba ngabe asenelisi ngabe kasibaningi ngaba amanzi kasihluphi.
Okay, so leyo udaba oluphezulu kwenu. engingathi alikwazi ukuthi lisebenze ngalo lina ngoba liku-Residents Association.
Sicabanga ukuthi ngabe kuyavumakala sisebenzise i-parallel county tabulation system yethu. I-council yona ilama-estimates ukuthi lapha kulisebhabhe engaka, lapha ngaba labantu using ama-statistics data abanayo. Sibe siyenza i-triangulation lama-results e-census ngoba mina ngokwami lokuthandabuza ngama-figures basinika wona every year.
Ya baba Moyo, ngoba bengicabanga ukuthi udaba olumqoka lolo ngoba ama-services uBulawayo ongawathola wathola ngokuthi abantu bangaki koBulawayo. Kodwa ke eqinisweni ungathola ukuthi uBulawayo uyakhula every year on year, but i-census ma ibuya ikhombisa ukuthi uBulawayo ubuyela phansi or u-stagnant, umile. So lina njengama-Residents Association ngicabanga ukuthi i-idea obuya nayo it's a very crucial one eyokuthi akusetshenziswane ne-council, i-council ikwazi ukuthi isebenzise ama-systems anawo ukuthi ibone abantu bangaki, kungamane kuthathwe nje i-national census at face value.
No. Ngiyavumelana lawe sibili. I think i-census e-Africa has become highly politicized. It is being used as a tool to control development. koBulawayo sikubona kubalulekile. Even ngensuku kungakagubhi oba uMalungu labo they were fighting against ama-census figures. And that trend has not changed. Silokhu sile challenge and aleyo ndale ababeyibisa la.
Okay. I know. Ngiyabonga kakhulu kulokho. All right, let's move on. Angize kulento oyikhulumileyo futhi othe ibukeka iyinkinga koBulawayo. I-devolution of power. I-devolution of power or into ye-devolution ingasiza ngani kuzidingo or izimfuno zabantu bakoBulawayo ngithi or ama-residents akoBulawayo. I-devolution of power ingasiza kanjani?
I-devolution of power nxa kuyikuthi siphiwe ingasosphathi in full. It would mean, for instance, sesikwazi ukuqhatsha abantu esibafunayo ezikolo, ezibhedlela lapho silabantu abakhona na. Kuyasinika futhi lo mdladla ukuthi nxa siplana izinto zethu singameleli ukuthi siza-approvelwa yi-Harare, sabe siplana sikwazi ukuthi izinto zethu ezingazikudinga i-second person to approve kwabe kuyithi esizilungisa khonapho nxa sile problem ngoba ukuthi izinto ze-Harare ziyaphuza ukulungiswa lanxa bevumile by the time sekuvunywa azisayimplementwa kahle ngokunqali zakhona zingasekho. And we would be able to prioritize ngokwethu sinhlelo zethu ukuthi number 1 uhlelo lwethu yilolu, ulandelayo yilolu, kungasabi yi-national khathesi okuqakathekileyo i-national priority. Thina as provinces we may get third or fourth place, but nxa sesile-devolution of power siyazi-prioritize thina sizihlele ngokufuna kwethu ukuthi eziqakathekileyo yilezi nalezi. Uma singasuthiseki ngomsebenzi wesibhedlela ngomsebenzi wesikolo siyabe sikwazi ukuthi wena awusenzeli kuhle, chiya umsebenzi lowo. Khathesi ufanele sithole imvumo kumuntu oseHarare uyathatha 3 years ukuthi esitshele impendulo.
Yeah, hayi ngiyakuzwa.
Kwenza kube clear futhi khathesi asikwazi ukuthi under this system kwalama powers amakhulu ngu-provincial minister kumbe ngumayor, because the mayor is elected. This one is a presidential appointee. Nxa kulo mhlangano who chairs that meeting, sifuna something in writing that clarifies the roles zabo so that akubi le role conflict.
Okay. But wena ukube unguhulumeni in terms of amandla ungabanika kanjani?
I mean, nxa nguhulumende vele I would not need to devolution minister. Mayor would be the provincial chair of that committee of provincial council. Ekwenze lokho. Provincial minister akasikho isidingo sakhe. The structure sakhe simiswa asikho ngoba kule duplication. That's what I would do. I would empower the mayor to chair so that he takes full responsibility. Ngabe le back pass ngethi hayi lo umsebenzi ka-central cabinet, lo umsebenzi ka-minister. Kumbe uminister etshintshe ethi lo umsebenzi ka-mayor, lo umsebenzi kabani. Nxa wenze njalo, there's a lot of back passing. I would like to see the mayor assume full responsibility to chair and then take responsibility for all the faults and lack of development.
Yeah. Okay, Baba Moyo, siyazi ukuthi manje ngoJuni ke kuzoba ne-leadership renewal ku-BIPRA. Njalo wena ukhankasela ukuthi ube ngusihlalo. Uma ungasitshela wena ukuthi uma ungakhethwa kuleso sihlalo ukuthi ube ngusihlalo, yini ozoyenzela abantu, yini ozoyiletha eyinguquko noma eyintuthuko?
Yeah, kulezinto that would like to see senzakala. I-City of Bulawayo ine-twinship arrangement, City of Abadan, eThekwini, neLimpopo. We would like to see izakhamuzi ama-residents association interacting more ama-residents association alawo mazwi, so that we can also engage and be able to attract investment woBulawayo ezabuya direct through us. Nxa i-city council engage bona abana lathi siba-engage, sibe lama-cultural exchange programs azabona abantu besiya-performa kwenalawo amadolobho like esilabudlelwane la eBaden, eThekwini, siyangikhona ngale. But I also would like to see more involvement ye-diaspora community abangekho la. Ngifuna ukuthi siba-engage bebe more active kuma-residents associations zethu, kuma-wards lapha abazalwa khona, lapha bakhe khona, lapha balezindlu khona. Nxa besiba-active baletha ama-ideas amatsha abawathola ku-diaspora bakhona, kumbe baletha investment entsha abayithola lapha bakhona. Izinto zenezo emboni ngani zingasi-improvela i-situation yethu. Abanye bengayenza i-twinship yezikolo lapha bakhona ngale, kumbe i-twinship yezibhedlela. Sifuna i-situation futhi ezayenza ukuthi one of the things engifuna ukuzibona sile UBH Philo Hospital le Ngutsheni Hospital. Minister of Health uya-appoint ama-boards kuzenezana isikolo, but uminister akaze ubone kuqakathekile ukuthi thina njengezakhamuzi sibe le-representation khonaphana ku-body ezibhedlela. So abantu abakhona phana ku-body bayithola kubani mandate, bakhuluma lo bani. I would like to see a situation where Secretary for Health wethu sits ku-board ze-health khona ze-UBH lempilo, so that as the complaint siyayabuya ukuthi izakhamuzi ziyakhala zikhanga lokho, naye kube yinto oyizwisisayo. Khathesi problem esilayo koBulawayo, abantu bakhuluma ngokuthi hayi abantu babethu baya-aplya ukuba ngunesi, abatholi bathathwa bavela kwezinye indawo. Kasitholi impendulo ezicacayo ngenxa yokuthi asiyila muntu okubhoard. I-Ministry of Higher Education erana i-UCE, i-Hillside Teachers College, uBulawayo Polytech, baya-appoint ama-boards kuze nezo ama-institutions. But abakazi bekubone ukuqakathekile ukuthi thina njengezakhamuzi we are organized, we have a residents association. They have never seen it fit ukuthi bethi sibe le-representation there, so that we can be the voice of Bulawayo residents and citizens. But abakubone ukuqakathekile khonokho. So if I become chairman, I'm going to lobby those ministries, ezongatsha ukuthi zithi give us fair hearing and fair consideration, so that sibe le-representation khonaphana kwanala ama-boards abo. Ngenye zezinto esifuna ukuzibona.
Okay, hayi. No, kuhle kakhulu yazi you are raising very interesting points and ideas. Ukuthi angisazi nokuthi ngikubuze yiphi ngoba all of them to me they are very interesting. All right, let me ask.
Mana ke ngitshele enye eqhathekile. I-Ministry of Water i-create ama-water catchment boards in different areas. But ayikazicabangi ukuthi thina njengezakhamuzi zakoBulawayo sibe le-representation khona ngale. Sebe sisizwa ngabakathi kulalokhu. But the water crisis koBulawayo ithe sebenzisa amanzi. We should be having a representation khona phana water treatment board. Ozabe sinika i-feedback ukuthi khathesi kwenzakala lokhu, khathesi kwenzakala lokhu, khathesi kwenzakala lokhu. ZINWA, created by government, does not think we're important. I think that whole act should be changed. Ngoba ZINWA is supplied thina ama-authorities ngamanzi. We should be having representations khona phana as city of Bulawayo, as city of Harare, ama-representatives avela kuzakhamuzi ngokwazo. That's something that I think has changed.
Okay. All right. No, ngiyabonga kakhulu kulokho. Angeke ngikubuze something engicabanga ukuthi maybe nami yangithinta kancane. Ukhulume ngathi yabona lento diaspora yabona ucabanga ukuthi lina njenge residents association yini kahle elingayenza ukuthi abantu abaku diaspora ba-connect fully nendawo lapha basuka khona koBulawayo ba-contribute fully. Ubona into elingenza njani?
Belungisa i-debate le ndaba engxenye kuzaqakatheka ukuthi ke si-create i-diaspora chapter for say Joburg yakoBulawayo. Sibe le diaspora chapter engxenye for North America. And then sibe sesizama ukubalinka i-chapter ngayinye ngama-wards abo. They contributed directly to ama-wards development committees laba vela khona. So it is something that I'm thinking we need to do going forward in the next 5 years. To create diaspora chapters, chapter Botswana, chapter South Africa, chapter UK, chapter North America. When the route is senelise ubuti link directly with them and they link them to their their respective wards.
Okay. No, kuyezwakala kakhulu baba Moyo. Maybe before silugqibe lolu hlelo lo akusikhumbuze futhi ukuthi kungani ofisa ukuthi abantu bekuvote.
Ngibona ukuqhathekile kakhulu ngoba ukuvotela mina is to vote for the poor. Ukuvotela mina is to vote for greater transparency. Ukuvotela mina is to vote for greater accountability by service providers. Ukuvotela mina is to vote for greater devolution of power and empowering our grassroots. Yikho trust campaign yami leyo.
Okay. Hayi kuhle kakhulu baba Moyo siyezwa. Njalo sikufisela inhlanhla kakhulu kulomkhankaso wakho ukuthi ube ngosihlalo weBulawayo Progressive Residents Association. Sesilugqiba lolu hlelo. Kukhona ongabe uthanda ukusho emphakathini engingabe ngingakubuzanga khona kodwa ofisa ukuthi ukudlulise.
Ngithanda ukuthi izakhamuzi zakoBulawayo zonke must take an active and keen interest in residents associations. Ngithanda ukuthi izakhamuzi zakoBulawayo especially ezikuma-Eastern Suburbs ikusasa ngeyazo, i-future ngeyazo, kabaphatheke kakhulu bengene kuma-committees bengayekeli ama-committees engene abantu abasebenza kubo kube yibo abanikazi bezinto who sits kuma-ward development committees, so that when council comes to engage them, they find abantu who are capacitated, who can handle ama-issues that council brings there. Abazazwisisa i-budget, nama-development issues and what is at stake. But isikhathi esiningi abantu abalesikolo, abantu abale-capacity, they stay away from such activities. Mina ngifuna ukubona thina sonke kuma-residents associations zethu, making them vibrant by participating more. Sizinike isikhathi ngoba zikhuluma nge-welfare yethu lekusasa yethu.
Okay, asibonge kakhulu Baba Moyo. Baba Ncube, unombuzo baba. Ungaba nombuzo nje before siluvalo lolu hlelo lo.
Yebo msakazi, ngiyabonga ithuba lelo nginikeza lona. Ngithanda ukwamukela ubaba uMoyo kulolu hlelo nabalaleli bohlelo. Umbuzo wami msakazi, ngizwa ubaba uMoyo lapha ethi yena ubefisa ukuthi izakhamizi zasema-Eastern Suburbs ngabe ziyangenela ngabe ziba more interest kuma-residents. Why particularly as the Eastern Suburbs more than kwezinye indawo? Cela nje asichazele khona ukuthi why ekusho lokho.
Ngiyabonga mlaleli. As it is kathesi asila structure wards 1, 2 and 3 nama-residents analawo ngapha ku-Eastern Suburbs. Kulula uku-organize abantu Western Suburbs babuye emhlanganweni zabo laba abangapha abangabadisi, so abaphatheki kakhulu. It is something engifisa ukuthi if I'm elected I will look into, sizama ukuthi wonke ama-wards sibe lama-ward committees awezakhamuzi, izakhamizi zonke ziphathiwe. Asila challenge enkulu ku-Western Suburbs about.
Okay, no kuhle ngingazi Baba Ncube noma uyafisa ukuthi umbuze mo kuloko akukhulumileyo.
Hayi okwamanje hayi
uyabona ngichaza iyabona i-city center kathi sifunda kulama vendors esikwazi ukuthi kawapheli koBulawayo, but asila structure khona pha. Bekufuna ukuthi bona abantu abahlala koBulawayo city center kube yibo ababhizi kakhulu, banama-businesses, balezindlu khona phandle. I-residents association yakhona ibe yiyo forefront esiphushayo isitshela ama-issues abahluphayo.
Hayi no kulungile Baba Moyo. Ithi ngenze kanje kulabo abakhona ubaba uNcube nomfowethu engingazi ukuthi ngubani weSamsung. Nawe Ncube mpho uma kukhona elifisa ukuthi ngikubuze noma likubuze akwenzakala njalo lalintshele ngizwe before silugqibe lolu hlelo.
Ngicela ukungena msakazi khonapho.
Ngena ba?
Ya. Mina bengifisa msakazi ukuthi ungibuzele kubaba uMoyo ukuthi mangibheka mina laphana esigodlweni sakwaBulawayo ngibona sengathi kunalento esingathi i-disconnect phakathi kwa-city council nezakhamizi. U-city council ule phezulu, ukhona phana e-CBD headquarters zakhe large city hall kumbe kuphi. Umuntu ole phakathi ezindaweni i-council mayihlala isiba ne-council meetings zabo, cabinet meetings zabo. Umuntu ole ezindaweni emalokishini is disconnected from ukuthi i-council vele ine-cabinet meeting, bayahlala bakhulumani. So ngicela ungibuzele kubaba uMoyo ukuthi if yena engakhethwa abe ngusihlalo kwi-association le, angabona yini kungafanela ukuthi kulokuthi i-council ibihlala isedolobheni lapha e-city center okunzimela khona abantu ukuthi bafike ngoba abanamsebenzi abanani. Kungaba njani ukuthi i-council i-rotate anti kunamahholi ezindaweni lapha zokuhlala, Osizinda Hall, Mpophoma Hall, Njube Hall. Kungaba njani ukuthi i-council iye ebantwini for ama-cabinet council meeting bona lawana esiwabona ku-YouTube laba behleli kwafana council chambers kwathini bebe bebhoda ngezindawo beye bona ebantwini bethi kulinyanga i-council meeting izoba sesizinda Hall. Kube nendawo khona fana ehall ebekelwe umphakathi ukuthi bazehlala khona fana balalele babuke ukuthi i-council isebenza kanje. Ama-councillors angithi abe khona fana kudibhethwa i-budget kumbe kudibhethwani bazibonela ukuthi hawu kanti i-council yethu isebenza kanje. Okwamanje nginesiqiniseko umsakazi ukuthi hayi abantu abaningi vele kasiyazi siyibona i-council, sibabona nje kuphela mase sekukhetho sokufuneka o-council.
Kuhle Ncube. Ithi sizwe ukuthi ubaba uMoyo ngicabanga ukuthi bekulalela uyawuza umbuzo wakho baba Moyo.
idea yona sounds good, but implementation yakhona iyashintsha. Amahholo nalawo achoyo since independence council not been building amahholo. Akula hall eQuadra Park, akula hall ePula South, ama-suburbs amaningi atsha kawanalo. So okuzakwenzakala you'll have other suburbs abazithina kasivakatshelwa. My solution to that problem ukuthi ngasi i-council move with technology bayenza i-live streaming khathesi, but i-live streaming yabo kayifiki kwezinye izakhamuzi ngoba bengala-access. I-council yenze i-internet ama-internet what call in every suburb, so that umuntu ufuna ukuyalalela ehambe khona pha e-connecte ebone i-live streaming from the comfort of ilokuzeni nawo. Kasenzeni i-facility ezayenza ukuthi abantu bebone live i-caucus zelokuzeni session from the comfort of the host, because kule internet access ngoba kule internet access eduze lapha abakhona bengawukhambeli. It will be in the end cheaper for council than such laba.
Okay. Ngicela umfowethu oweSamsung unombuzo ngemphongolo yakoNtuthu. Ngicela ukuthi akavule imic yakhe akhulume abuze umbuzo.
Hello everyone, nditshona njani?
Ungixolele nto umfowethu. Ungixolele.
It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. No, anti wonke umuntu okhulumayo kumele ebe umuntu ongubaba. Is a patriarchy country, so angeke siyale kangako. No, ngibuza ukuthi since kule ndaba le emphongolo yezesa, imphongolo leyana eNtuthu ziyathunqa, kufihlelwane induku emqhubeni izesa lo council. Ubaba uMoyo nje wefuna ukungena ebe ngu-chairperson wezakhamizi zakoBulawayo. Yena uzayibamba njani? Ngoba siyibona ingani yehlula ukuphela. Ngiyabonga.
Baba Moyo, ngicabanga uzwile.
Ngizwile lezi zinto ezimbili leyana indaba. Thina sifuna ukuthi sikwenze esawucela uCouncil ukuthi sinike ama-title deeds siwabone ukuthi ngempela imphongolo leyana belong to city council and therefore belong to us as ratepayers. Esiwaziyo ukuthi initially ngubulawayo ozigenerethela electricity, kuthe sekufonywa izesa wahlanganisa izinto leziya. Amafungafunga ke siwatshela yi-council was yithi the city of Harare sasinama-title deeds because we owned the land on which those structures were built. So i-understanding wayo ukuthi izesa izabhadala, izesa yangazaba nemali, kwasekuthiwa khona kuzaba i-swap deal nxa izesa ipower imchina yeCouncil kayizi ukubhila iCouncil imali zakhona zabe zilokuzitshintshana ngaleyo nje kuze kuphele. I think ngokuhamba kwesikhathi izesa then defaulted yaloku ona lokhu iCouncil yaqinisa ifaka ama-generator ukusupply lokhu sindawo. So kimi kuqakathekile ukuthi kube le-transparency ke sizwisise uhulumende iqiniso okwayenzakalayo, siye la kuCouncil futhi sithole iqiniso ukuthi ngempela ama-title deeds balapha. Nxa belawo-ke we can tell izesa kwende-ke ngoba isiyo ndawo ya. Nxa bengasafuni ukuthi sigenerate lokhu zinto kufanele kube museum, fine, but we will not have that destroyed. Instead, we plan ukuthi sibe le-alternative forms of energy. Nxa liyana besiya science sindala kakhulu. We can go into private public partnerships njengobulawayo sibe le-backup system yethu. Nxa kuyikuthi ayirenovetheki liyana bona bathi i-lifespan yayo siyafika ekucineni asazi iqiniso ngoba sikatholi independent opinion. We would want to see, I'm sure we've retired engineers who can assess for us. Besitshela ukuthi ngeqiniso sesiqinisile ukuthi i-lifespan yakhona siyafika.
Okay, ngingazi ukuthi noma uyafisa ukuthi ulandele ubuze futhi umbuzo. Dadewethu.
Hayi, angeke ngisabuza kangako kodwa sisafisa ukuthi isicelo sokuthi engaba lethuba lokungena sicela bekulandelele nxa kuyinto engasiza ubulawayo ukuthi kumbe i-lifespan yokuba le-electricity ayisavumi sokuvuma something, should they do that? Akusisizi ukuthi uphonga uhlala imphongolo mhlawumbe iphonga uba yinto njenganamagabha amatope engasoze asincede ngalutho. Ngiyabonga msakazi.
Okay, hayi siyabonga kakhulu. Dr. Ncube, kukhona ungabe ufisa ukuthi ukubuza ubaba uMoyo?
Ngiyabonga msakazi. Hayi mina kwami bekuyikulalela ngifunda. I must say that I've been educated and I know more. I'm part of the diaspora and I'm excited about some of the interesting ideas he has raised. Ngiyabonga msakazi. Thank you.
Hayi siyabonga kakhulu. Baba Ncube, njoba nje suzwile abantu bebuza imibuzo, kungabe kukhona okuvelayo ongabe uthanda ukuthi ukusho before sigqibe lolu hlelo?
Ngiyabonga msakazi. Bengicela ukuphosela umbuzo msakazi. Ungivumele.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
Ngoba ngibona ingathi indaba leyi ingathi futhi imqoka. Kunamagama lapha namsakazi kwezindawo zakwabulawayo esingathi abhalwe ngesilapha lapha mangatsho. Uyazi isigodlo sakithi kasihlonipheki ngoba uyazi thina asizihloniphi ngokuthi sibize izindawo ngendlela eziqondileyo. Uyabona ompophoma ophumula uyazi ngicela ukubuza ubaba uMoyo ukuthi njenge Residents Association bakubona kuyinto eqhakathekileyo ukuthi ilungiswe leyo ngoba ayisifukisi sihlonipheka thina manje abanikazi bendawo asikwazi ukubiza indawo ngendlela eqondileyo msakazi. Ngicela ukuthi atsho nje ukuthi yinto nje abayibone ngathi hayi echitha isikhathi nje engaqhakathekanga kumbe yinto ababongani bengayithatha kuyelungiswa kutshintshwe amagama wezindawo.
Okay, Baba Ncube, before ngiwudlulisele kubaba uMoyo umbuzo wakho. Uthi indawo ezifana nabompophoma nabophumula yini erongo ngabo?
Ispelling imsakazi.
Okay, hayi.
Yeah, uyabona uphumula ngendlela waspelishwe ngakhona. Umpophoma. Umakhokhoba ngazi ngomakhokhoba ngiyizokula ukuphikiswana ukuthi hayi liyaniqondile liyana indawo ezinje onketha iyazi umsakazi.
Okay, hayi ngiyakuzwa baba. Baba Ncube. Baba Moyo. Kuzwakala sengathi zikhona indawo ezibizwa ngamagama engathi awaqondanga kahle maybe ngokuspelwa nokunye. maybe nami ukuthi ngingezelele kulokhu baba uNcube akusho. Uma sibheka indawo ezifana nabo Lobhengula Street, akulethi inhlonipho masithi Lobhengula Street. Bekumele sikubize kahle ukuthi King Lobhengula. Into ezinjalo lizibeka kanjani?
I think kuzafuna ukuthi sicele ama-ward committees suburb by suburb, ward by ward, beke besinike lezo ndawo ezilamabizo afuna ukulungiswa. Then we engage council. At the same time, bengifuna support ye-diaspora community. Ngoba mbona council izakhala ngokuthi imali zakhona umsebenzi mkhulu. Bengizacela ukuthi i-diaspora community support ngalokho to help us fund i-name change naleyo sibhale ngendlela yethu. Nxa i-council sivumela sithola ama-resources from i-diaspora silungise suburb by suburb kuphelele konke. Siyaqala khona engagement yethu babaNcube. The two Ncubes abakhona dinele ku-diaspora. Nanku umthwalo ngowethu sonkeni. Thina siza collect evidence yakhona from the suburbs and jointly correct problem ngoba.
Hayi kuhle kakhulu. Baba Ncube uphendulekile?
Hayi ngiphendulekile msakazi. Ngingazi ukuthi ubuzifuna nginye ku second party yesicelo sakho ngoba ngiphendule ngombuzo mina akade
Angisakhumbula ukuthi yipi second.
Okay, uthe wena yini akhona amazwi yini engingawasho nje?
Bengizama ukuthi ubaba umoyo hayi wena.
Oh, okay. Alright, kulungile msakazi.
Okay, uxola kuloko. Baba Moyo, bengithi ukulugqiba lolu uhlelo uma kukhona okuvelileyo ngemva kokuthi abantu bekhulume nawe bekubuza imibuzo bephawule lokho abakuphawulayo. Uma kukhona ongafisa ukukusho sigqibe lolu hlelo ngiyabonga baba.
Hayi. Ngilawo amazwi baba ngaphandle ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ukulawo engisekele. Esekele umbono engilawo. Ngoba umbono engilawo umbono wabo la. Sincedisane siyophutsha indima. Benganginika ivote, benganginika indlela zokukhankasa size siyophutsha kulokho ngiyabonga baba.
Sibongile kakhulu baba Moyo, sibonge nakubafowethu akade bekhona lana kuMathule Broadcasting Corporation. Igama nguThulani wakwaNkaba. Umnabase onabe kuhle kothangazana. Ikho-ke ngithi asidibane kwezinye izinhlelo kodwa ke asifisele ubaba umoyo inhlanhla enhle kakhulu kwenzela ukuthi imbono yakhe le mihle kakhulu akwazi ukuyifeza uma ekhethiwe. Ikho-ke balaleli sithi inselelo isikini manje ukuthi liyamkhetha noma cha. Kodwa ke besifisa ukuthi abe nenhlanhla kakhulu, abe nempumelelo. Siyabonga kakhulu. Asidibane kwezinye izinhlelo zeMathule Broadcasting Corporation.